A former employee of the Fort Myers Police Department is now suing the city of Fort Myers. She says the department discriminated against her because of who she is. Fox 4's Rachel Lloyd at police headquarters. Rachel, she's saying exactly what she says happened to her here, right?
According to the lawsuit, the city terminated Suzette Warren back in May, and she says it was all based on her race, gender, and disability.
That was part of a conspiracy to get rid of us anyway.
Councilman Johnny Street says supervisors racially discriminated against him too when he worked as a police officer for FMPD. Warren's lawsuit filed last week claims the city fired her because she's black. Street says if Warren's claims are true and the discrimination continues today, the city needs to address the police department's needs before they get hit with more lawsuits.
If they keep coming and we're still spending money and nobody is getting punished, well, then something's wrong.
Warren's attorney told Fox 4 the stress caused by the hostile work environment created by Lieutenant William Musante aggravated a previous spinal injury which led to her termination. A spokesperson for the city said they don't comment on pending litigation. Street says the mayor, council, and department need to analyze who's working within the department.
We have trained people very well, but there are some people who know the law, but they have their own law. There's something that happens before training. Who you hire.
Warren claims Lieutenant Musante subjected her to a random uniform inspection and then confronted her while HR was present. FGCU law enforcement expert says Warren did the right thing by going to HR, but the department should have formally investigated Musante rather than put him in the same room as Warren.
They interview everybody that's involved. They don't interview them with the possible suspect sitting in the room with you.
Warren is asking for back pay and punitive damages. In Fort Myers, Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4, in your corner.
Thank you, Rachel. The family of Alana Tamplin feels justice was not served for their 12-year-old who was struck and killed by a driver in January. This morning, a judge ordered the driver, Mary Miller, to pay a $1,000 fine and complete 75 hours of community service. She's also going to have her driver's license suspended for 6 months. Alana and her best friend were walking back. They had taken the sister to the bus stop when she got hit. According to troopers, Miller drove off, but she did later return.